In the fast-paced world of business, particularly for small and medium-sized enterprises, managing payroll and accounting can be a complex and time-consuming task. That's where dedicated software solutions like Patriot software come in, offering streamlined ways to handle these critical financial operations. While these tools are designed for ease of use, there will inevitably be times when you need a little help, whether it's setting up your account, troubleshooting an issue, or understanding a specific feature. This leads many users to wonder, what is the phone number for Patriot Software's customer support? As a project management expert who understands the critical role of efficient support in business operations, I can tell you that readily accessible and responsive customer service is a hallmark of a reliable software provider. For Patriot Software, getting in touch by phone is a straightforward process. The primary customer support phone number for Patriot Software, particularly for their payroll and accounting services in the United States, is 877-968-7147. This number connects you directly with their customer support representatives, who are based in the USA. Patriot Software prides itself on offering what they describe as USA-based support, emphasizing a commitment to knowledgeable and accessible assistance. When can you call Patriot Software? It's important to note the operational hours for their phone support to ensure you call when a representative is available. Patriot Software's customer support is typically available Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. Eastern Time, ET. If you're operating in a different time zone, remember to adjust your calling time accordingly. For example, if you're on Pacific Time, that would mean calling between 6 a.m. and 4 p.m. Pacific Time. Why is knowing the phone number important for project management? While modern software often emphasizes online help centers, chat support, and email, having a direct phone number remains a crucial element of effective project and business management for several reasons. Urgent issues and time-sensitive payroll. Payroll, by its very nature, is highly time-sensitive. If you encounter a critical error on payday, a direct phone line allows for immediate communication and potentially quicker resolution, preventing delays in employee payments. In project management, mitigating risks and ensuring timely execution are paramount, and direct support plays a key role here. Complex queries and nuanced problems. Sometimes, an issue isn't easily explained in a chat window or an email. Complex accounting scenarios, specific tax questions, or intricate software configurations often benefit from a live conversation where you can explain the context, ask follow-up questions, and get real-time clarification. This direct interaction can significantly reduce the time spent troubleshooting. Personalized guidance. Speaking directly with a support representative can provide a more personalized experience. They can guide you step by step through a process, helping you understand not just what to do, but why it's done that way, which is invaluable for learning and improving your own accounting literacy. Confirmation and reassurance. For critical financial operations, having a verbal confirmation or direct reassurance from a support professional can provide peace of mind that a written message might not. This is particularly true when dealing with tax filings or large financial transactions. Building rapport, while not always the primary goal, consistent positive interactions with support staff can build a sense of trust and familiarity with the software provider, contributing to a better overall user experience. Beyond the phone, other support channels. While the phone number is a direct and often preferred method for urgent issues, Patriot Software also offers other valuable support channels that are worth exploring for less immediate concerns or for quick answers. Online Help Center/Knowledge Base. Patriot Software maintains a comprehensive online help center with articles, guides, and FAQs covering a wide range of topics. This is an excellent first stop for self-service and can often provide immediate answers without needing to contact support directly. Email support. For non-urgent questions or issues that require attaching screenshots or detailed documentation, email support is a convenient option. You can typically find their support email address, e.g., support@patriotsoftware.com, on their contact page. Live chat. Many software companies, including Patriot, offer a live chat option during business hours. This can be a great middle ground for quick questions that don't require a phone call but are more interactive than email. A note on international support. It's important to clarify that the 7147 number is specifically for Patriot Software, which primarily serves businesses in the United States. There are other companies globally that might use Patriot in their name, particularly in the security or alarm monitoring software industry, e.g., Patriot Systems. These are separate entities, and their contact information would be different. If you are using a Patriot software product outside the US for different purposes, ensure you are looking for the correct company's contact details.